This was changed to Shiba Inu coin by Coinbase and BlackRock. They have big plans for the SHIB and are making a big move. Coinbase, which is one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges and the first to be listed on Nasdaq, has announced a partnership with BlackRock, which is a big asset management company. Today, we'll talk about the partnership between Coinbase and BlackRock and why it will be good for Shiba and new coins. So watch this video all the way through because the video for today is going to be boring. We're glad you stopped by. Shibas are your daily dose. This is the place to be if you are interested in everything about Shiba. If you want to stay, you should sign up. Stay in the crypto world one step ahead by keeping up with all the SHIB news and predictions. Before we talk about our topic, let's look at the chart and see what's going on with the price of Shiba on September 31. Shiba Inu price doesn't look like it's going to stop going down after a year. Even though support at 7,150 cents helped the second largest cryptocurrency get back on its feet in June, its uptrend was stopped at 1,801 cents in the middle of August. Since then, the price has stayed in a falling channel with only a few small upticks. At the time of this writing, the share price is 1,101 cents, and there is a growing chance that it could fall below 1,000 cents. Shiba Inu price's upside is limited by the upper boundary of the falling channel and the 100-day simple moving average in blue. Movement north of the support provided by the channel's lower boundary at 1,000 cents may have less of an effect due to the low trading volume seen in the leveling off review on balance volume. In the same way, the Direction Movement Index DMI does not favor either bulls or bears. In other words, investors aren't sure which way the price of Shiba Inu will go in the near future. Now, let's get back to the topic. BlackRock's institutional clients will be able to manage their portfolios, starting with Bitcoin on the same Aladdin platform, which is an end-to-end investment management tool. In plain English, this means that institutional investors will be able to buy cryptocurrencies through BlackRock's tool for managing investments. Coinbase Prime, the institutional investment arm of the exchange, will be a key part of this system. More specifically, Coinbase Prime will give clients access to services like crypto trading, storage, prime brokerage, and reporting. On Aladdin, the partnership is huge for the crypto economy because BlackRock, which manages more than $9 trillion in assets, is paving the way for institutions to start using cryptocurrencies. It has also decided to give its clients more ways to get into the world of decentralized finance. So, Coinbase's shares, which had been down 77% in 2022 for weeks before this announcement, jumped by 30% and have stayed around that level since. Even though most people in the crypto community like the idea, it has raised some eyebrows because Coinbase is in regulatory trouble and is being investigated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) for letting its American customers trade tokens that should have been registered as securities. It's still not clear if BlackRock's connections with the U.S. Federal Reserve and other important organizations will help Coinbase get out of its legal messes. After all, the Fed asked BlackRock for help during the 2008 recession and the 2020 coronavirus pandemic, which were two of the worst crises of this century. In 2008, Bear Stearns and Freddie Mac were going bankrupt, and BlackRock was asked to take care of their toxic assets, etc. And in 2020, the Fed chose the company to buy billions of dollars worth of debt from big companies that had been hurt by the pandemic. The company also managed the government's relief spending. BlackRock has been interested in cryptocurrencies, or digital assets as it calls them, for a long time. This year, the company invested in the seed funding round that brought in $400 million for Circle Internet Financial, the parent company of the second largest stablecoin, USD. It has also been said that BlackRock, like many other top financial institutions, is looking into how cryptocurrencies can be used for asset tokenization and permission blockchains, reserve management for stablecoins, etc. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, told the company's investors that a strong digital money system could possibly lower the cost of making payments across borders, speed up settlements, and stop money laundering. As unlikely as it may seem right now, BlackRock's political power and interest in lobbying the EU Congress can help bring about regulations that give the crypto market more credibility in the world's largest economy. As an institutional flow of money drives development and makes things better, it's possible that many other places will follow suit. Your use for most people. We'll talk about Shiba next. Since July, over 5.3 billion ships have burned. Since July, more than 5.3 billion SHIB have been burned in different transactions, according to the ShibBurn Twitter account. The ShibBurn tracker said that in the last 24 hours, more than 135,418,982 SHIB tokens were burned, and 21 transactions were made. You told us that in the last 7 days, ShibBurn said that 613,214,213 tokens worth of SHIBs have been burned. Today, the ShibBurn initiative showed that a huge number of SHIB tokens, 4,762,745,494, were sent to dead wallets through 505 transactions. Since July 1st, this brings the total amount of ShibBurn to more than 5.3 billion. This number might be a little higher right now, since the burn tracker recently reported that a transaction with millions of SHIBs to be burned happened right after it reported the number of SHIBs that were burned in 24 hours. The burn tracker also that 3,685,740 SHIB and 500,000 tokens were each sent to dead wallets in a single transaction. Burning means taking tokens out of circulation for good by sending them to a burn address or a dead wallet. Some people think that burning can raise prices because it makes things scarce. However, this is not always the case. Shiba Inu had its best month since February 2022, when it gained 13.4%. In a way, you could say that the Shiba Inu burns didn't make much of a difference because there is still a lot of ground to cover. Even though 5.3 billion SHIBs sounds like a lot, it only means that about $64,000 worth of SHIB was burned, which is what you reported today. Hiroshi Kusama, who is in charge of making Shiba Inu, says that there seems to be one thing that needs to happen for big Shiba Inu burns to be a true community effort. He says that there are many ways that the project is working towards it. He says that this could take some time and hopes that the timing works out well. But because of worries about the economy as a whole, the price action on the cryptocurrency markets is still just speculation at the time of publication. Shiba Inu went up by 4.35% in the last 24 hours, and it was trading at 124 cents USD. So much for today. Also, we'd like to point out that this is not a channel designed to give financial advice, and we don't ask you to invest in any company. This is just a channel that brings educational content right to your door. So, before you buy anything, you should do a lot of research on the subject from many different angles. We hope this video was fun for you. Tell us in the comments section below. If you are an investor, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you at Shiba Inu Coin next time. Bye.